Before using earth, turf, and wood, we had a property that had a lot of weeds growing. We have a lot of mulch, and every week I would have to go around with the spray with a backpack on, and it took a lot of time out of the weekend or after work. So when we were looking to develop the property and expand it with a little more landscaping, one of the concerns we had was how much more time it was going to take me to go around and maintain the property on a weekly basis, especially during the summer months.
Our preference is to do maintenance for our design build clients. We know the properties, we know where the plant material came from, we know their expectations going into it. We're not coming into a property where we don't know where the wires or the irrigation lines are running.
One of the reasons we chose earth, turf, and wood was when Jared came out and he laid out the plan. One, he was very creative with what we could do here on the property, but two, from the very beginning, he was looking past the installation part of the project and long-term how we can maintain it.
Our maintenance approach is different from most other landscape companies in that we take care of everything here. We are a one-stop shop. If the customer has an event coming up and they need something spruced up, we'll take care of that. We'll restain pavilions or decks or seal coat driveways. We'll do whatever is necessary to bring their property up to the level of expectation that they have.
The maintenance program with earth, turf, and wood has been excellent. They're very dependable. They come on a time frame that we develop. Each winter we get together and develop a plan for the upcoming season, and so far it's been wonderful. I've had a lot more time enjoying my property instead of working on my property.
We'll go out and analyze the property and put together a thorough list of everything that the clients are looking for, and make sure that we don't leave anything out, because what we don't want to do throughout the year is go back to them and say, oh, we forgot this or we forgot that.
One of the best things about earth, turf, and wood is the availability. When you do have any kind of an issue, question, doesn't matter if it's big or small, they get back to you in a timely manner. And they jump on the problem, they don't let it sit. So they know that I want to maintain my property looking at 100% at all times. So when there is an issue, it's corrected right away, and we've got many compliments from all of our guests about how good the landscaping looks.
Hi, my name is Jared Hinson at Earth, Turf, and Wood. At the end of the day, our main focus is to create a beautiful backyard for our clients and maintain it long term so that they have a worry-free atmosphere.